Shout out to everyone out there that's trying to make a better life for themselves. And we got SB19 to help us on the way on this journey. This is not fair. Like their voices, the dance, and these stories together. Tearjerker. Hola, kamusta po kayo? Kapo si Chachi and welcome to my humble adobo! If you are a return subscriber, maraming salamat sa suporta. If you are a new subscriber, then welcome to this fabulous adobo family. We're gonna be watching this because why not? It's SB19. Ballet, love it. Oh, that's a kid. I thought it was an adult. Oh. What just happened there? Are they gonna do like a contemporary lyrical dance? Oh my gosh. Guys, if you don't know, I started off with contemporary before I moved on to hip-hop. This is gonna be amazing. I can already feel it. Okay. Okay, well, this is a different version.
We once hoped to perform on big stages, to have our own audience that will embrace our music and style.
Today, ang sana namin, nagkatotoo na. We were able to represent P-pop internationally.
Yes, you are.
And supporting us was our 18 community.
Looking ahead, we hope to continue growing stronger, to be a voice for those feeling lost or unheard.
And to elevate not just ourselves, but every human being who continues to hope.
Kumapit lang tayo at magtiwala sa pag-asa. May didinig din sa ating sana.
Wow, the entrance. I like this version, it's so nice. Let's go, Josh. This is lyrical contemporary, guys, the dance.
Ako si Carlos Yulo. Kahit hindi naging madali ang mga pinagdaanan ko,
Carlos
naniwala
Yulo?
ako at umasa na makakamit ko ang ginto.
He's
Kaya
there.
sana samahan niyo po ako sa panalangin na maging ligtas ako sa mga susunod kong laban para sa bayan. At sana maibahagi ko ang kaalaman ko sa mga susunod na henerasyon ng mga batang nangangarap.
Nice. You know, they're doing the song collaboration with Vince Ganda. They should do the flip collaboration with Carlos Yulo. When was this
Ako
though?
si Aura, nang dahil sa kapusukan at kawalan ng disiplina ay napahamak ako. Nasangkot ako sa isang skandalo na labis kong pinagdusahan at pinagsisihan. Ngayon, unti-unti kong ibinabangon ang sarili ko mula sa pagkakalugmok. Bumalik ako sa pag-aaral at sa pamamagitan nito, sana muling lumiwanag ang minsang dumilim na kinabukasan ko. Makapit ako sa pag-asa.
Ako si Ami. Ang nanay ko ay may Alzheimer's. Sa bawat araw na dumadaan, ay unti-unti na niyang nakakalimutan ang maraming bagay tungkol sa kanya at sa paligid niya. Pero sana, huwag mabura sa alaala niya na may pamilya siyang mahal na mahal siya. Natatakot akong dumating ang oras na yon. Pero kumakapit ako sa pag-asa.
These are strong Filipinos.
Ako si Roy, dating haligi ng tahanan na minsang nalulong sa sugal at sa iba pang bisyo.
It's a beautiful
Dahil dito,
formation.
napabayaan ko ang aking pamilya. Nagsisisi ako. Sana ay makabawi ako sa mga pagkukulang ko sa kanila, lalo na sa mga anak ko. Sana mapatawad nila ako. Kumakapit ako sa pag-asa.
Ako si Nelden.
At ako naman si Faith. 12 years na kaming mag-asawa.
At hanggang ngayon ay wala pa rin anak. May mga oras na naluluha at nagtatanong kami kung bakit hindi kami nabibiyayaan ng anak.
Alam naming handa na kami at kaya naming magtaguyod ng isang pamilya. Kaya sana, dinggin ng Diyos ang panalangin namin.
Or adopt maybe. You know, there's some kids out there that need a home. And this is not fair. Like their voices, the dance, and these stories together. Tearjerker.
Ako si Nicole.
Ako naman po si Benji.
Ang mama namin ay isang OFW sa Dubai at 6 na taon na kaming nangungulila sa isang ina.
Alam namin ginagawa niya yon para sa ikakaganda ng buhay namin.
At para maisuklian ang pagsusumikap niya, diploma ko ang pangarap kong may regalo sa kanya. Sana makauwi na siya.
Miss na namin siya. Gusto na namin siyang yakapin.
Kumakapit kami sa pag-asa.
Oh, the ballerina. Is that her? Like, is that their mom? Did she really surprise them? Like, did they already know that she was gonna be there? Or is this for real? Sorry, guys. Of course, this is hidden hard for me because, like, I'm away from my parents right now because I lived with them for, like, honestly, 30 years. There's only been, like, one time that we weren't together, and that was very short. I miss my parents a lot because I know I'm lucky and I'm blessed to still have both of my parents with me. With the time difference, it does make it hard for us to catch up from time to time. So, yeah, this is too much for me right now. Like, my heart's already aching. Wow. I don't know what to say, guys. Like, I'm sure you've noticed I didn't really pause because, like, like I would usually pause and stuff. I just couldn't bring myself to pause and uh uh I don't know what to say. Anyways, wow, this has been my shortest SB19 reaction video ever. I think it's because I got more choked up. Thank you so much for watching this, even though it was short. I hope you still enjoyed it. And yeah, shout out to everyone out there that's trying to make a better life for themselves and for their family. It's hard, but everyone who's pulling through, you got this. And we got SB19 to help us on the way on this journey. So yeah, thank you so much. And you guys have a beautiful day and God bless.